A thought group it's a group of words that go together basically like before a pause. It's like if you're ever talking in American English and you're like, I don't know where to break or anything. So thought groups are the places where you can pause and it sounds natural. I am not talking one word at a time. That's not how American English works or any language works. No, we group words together. Words naturally appear with other words. So in our phrase here, I would say we have two thought groups. Thought groups are very flexible. You could have the thought group end on burn the hands, or you could have it end on worth. So like burn the hands worth, and every thought group is going to have a stressed word. Okay, burn the hands, probably going to stress hands there. Worth two in the bush. In the second thought group, you're probably going to stress two. Once you find your stress word is usually going to have a higher pitch. In addition to that, though, the other thing that we really want to be thinking about is for every thought group kind of has its own pitch register. And so if we're trying to sound more natural, we want to kind of play around with the pitches a little bit, and it's just going to add more contrast. Otherwise, everything we say is going to kind of sound very similar in pitch and sound very flat. For instance, in our sentence here, bird in the hands, let's say I put that first group at a higher pitch, a bird in the hands. So then my second thought group, I may want to put at a lower register. It's worth two in the bush. A bird in the hands, worth two in the bush. A bird in the hands, worth two in the bush. Or you could switch it. Maybe I'll start lower. Bird in the hands, worth two in the bush. If you're like, I sound flat, or I'm always using the same pitches over and over again, well, this is something that you can immediately start doing.